Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna cook simmered tuna fish with bitter melon. First you need to have some garlic, maybe 2 or 3 pieces, and ginger, it's like the size of your thumb, and 2 bitter melon. You cut it into halves and you remove the seeds after. Make sure you scrape the inside so it's not bitter. Some people, they do soak it with salt and then squeeze it after, but you don't need to do that as long as you remove it properly. Cut the bitter melon into thin slices, or it depends on what you prefer. Bitter melon has many benefits. It can help reduce blood sugar and fight cancer. It can also decrease your cholesterol, and also it will help you lose weight. Set aside the bitter melon. It's quite time consuming to clean the bitter melon, but it's not hard to cook it. It's very short and easy. I used to not like this vegetable when I was young, but then I realized there's another way of cooking this vegetable.
You can pause it, right?
Another way to prepare this is to grill, saute, or put it in a soup. Now we're cutting the ginger into smaller pieces. What dish are you preparing right now? Maybe you can share it with me. Or if you have any dish that you want to prepare, please comment on my video and let me know, and we can cook it next time. Now I'm going to cut the fish into smaller pieces. This is a tuna fish, and it weighs 100 grams. Now I'm ready to cook. I think I have everything prepared.
Pause? Yeah, pause.
I turn on the stove and I pour some oil, maybe
Yep.
2 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon.
Okay. So focus.
Let's saute first the garlic. Then add the ginger. Saute again until it's brown. Now let's add the fish. Let's mix it for maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can pour some soy sauce and some vinegar, or 3/4 cup of soy sauce, then 3/4 cup of vinegar, and let it simmer for 3 minutes or 2. Add 1 cup of water, and you can cover it after. You can also add 1/4, or depending on your taste bud, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now let's cover it to simmer. Add 1/2 teaspoon of Now we're ready to add bitter melon, since it's already boiling. You can boil it for maybe 2 to 3 minutes, depending on what you like. If you want undercooked vegetable or overcooked, I would Some people prefer crunchy, so I prefer cooked. Mix it again, and then you can cover. I forgot that we need to add one more cup of water, so before you cover, make sure you add that.
You should focus on the food here.
I usually pair this with rice, but you can also eat this alone. This should be good. You can eat it already, but I like it more cooked. Now I turn off the stove because it's cooked, and it's time for me to prepare on a plate. I am very excited because I haven't eaten this for a while. Try preparing this at your home, so the taste will be a little bit sour and salty. Not everyone likes to eat this kind of taste, but you can give it a try and let me know. My food is ready and now I'm ready to eat. Let's eat. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my channel.